love this because this is very fun.
Yay! We're gonna have a party.
I hope they get free because of it. Oh my god. Oh.
What do you think you're gonna get in that box, Maya?
I don't know because there's a pepper right there.
Oh, let's see.
Wait,
I think there's another.
Oh.
There's more surprises in there,
Oh,
right?
there's right here.
Yeah, let's see.
Oh,
Okay.
oh my gosh.
All right. Let's see.
Oh, it's kind of at the bottom.
Can you? Let me see. Try lift it up. Look,
And
guys.
cute little Popteenie. And then we're gonna take these out first.
All right. Let's see.
Hold on.
What do you think is in there?
I quite want to know. There's a cute little purple, blue bowl with pink popcorn
that
and
little
little
bowl. It's
popcorn.
like little popcorn.
Look at this, guys.
All right. What else?
And something like
Oh, so you have to lift up the little box.
cute little
Cute little
hamburger.
tree.
Look at that, guys.
Wow.
Man, this is a cute little pizza.
Woo, pizza.
That there.
Oh, so they're getting ready for a party, Maya. Are they gonna have a party today?
Oh, they're new
Yeah, they are.
pets. There's one little, and there's another one in there. And one is pink. Oh,
Nice.
I
Oh,
love
little
this Party
pup.
Popteenies. Oh my gosh. This one is the cutest one.
What is it?
I quite don't know, but I'm trying to get it out. Oh my god!
Is that what? What is it?
It's like a cake thing that you spread some frosting.
Nice.
Oh! This might be a plate.
That's
you know how
cute.
the pink plate matches the hamburger?
Yeah. So they can serve cake on there.
There's a new drink bottle. Wait!
That one's pink. It's so cute.
This is purple, of course.
Oh, it's
my
like
God.
raspberry color, right?
Yeah, I'll put that here.
All right.
And the raspberry one.
What is that one?
I quite know.
Oh, wow.
Oh, this is a cute little plate.
Another one.
Alright, now we're going to start with the buddy now.
Ooh.
Look at the cute little birdie.
Oh, she has a bird. Look, guys. It's so cute.
Let's look at
What else is it? Oh, there's like a little, is that a chair or a table?
a chair too.
It's a chair so they can sit. So adorable. Oh, she's so cute. Guys, look at that. Ooh, she's so fashion. What is that?
I like a cute Party Popteenie.
Ooh.
Alright, let's open it.
All right, let's see who you get or what you get in it.
I bet there's no one in it, but
What do you think it is, though?
oh my gosh, I don't know, but I'm absolutely excited. Because that one is super big, so
What is it?
oh, this supposed to be confetti pop, but it's just confetti every day. It's just confetti one.
Well, confetti! Woo!
This one I like regular.
Oh, it's cute.
might put things in here too.
Oh yeah.
Alright, I think we're
There's that top box too, huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh wow!
Wait a second!
Yay!
Scissors!
It's so cute! Now you have
Oh
the
my
set, you have the
gosh.
table, you have the cake,
But how am I gonna
you
take
have all
this
the
out?
party supplies.
Yeah.
It's so cute, baby. It's so cute. Look at that. Ooh, they're gonna have their own little party.
And look, the tins with stickers.
Oh wow, that's so cute.
And I might know what this is.
I think that's a little list of the dolls.
Oh, yeah. It has to because really there is. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
What do you have? Let's see.
It might be.
Can you see her?
Maybe there's on the bottom.
I will let you know.
Oh.
Oh, okay. So you have Ava.
Ava?
Ava. And she's from the Rainbow Unicorn Surprise Collection.
Oh.
Yay! That's so cute.
Alright, now we're going to open these.
We are going to be doing the Party Pop confettis.
Can someone please open
Alright.
the chest for me?
Let's see. Alright, that one's ready. The other way? Is it the other way?
What?
Do it the other way.
Oh,
Oh, okay. Alright.
this is the line bags.
Okay.
And there's another checklist.
Ooh.
We will see that later.
Okay.
I need some scissors, please.
Ooh, scissors. Alright, we will see. I will help you cut them open.
There's kind of like a little hole, but maybe that's for the pizza.
Alright, there's that.
There's a cute little cookie.
It's cute, huh?
Yeah, but there's a cute little small cookie. Look how cute it is.
Oh, and there's like a little plate right there, right?
Yeah, look how
Oh,
cute
they
it is.
have like cookies on there.
Oh, I should put it.
It's so cute.
I gotta put it in here because the rest is not there.
Yeah. Alright, this one's next.
Alright. Oh, this gets the line back again.
Alright, let's do the line bags and then we can do the dolls.
Another checklist.
Okay, where's the line bag?
Over here.
Ooh, that one's different. This one is different.
Is it?
Yeah, you see? Look at that, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Show them so that way they can see the difference. There's that one. That one's like shiny and then look at that. Alright, let's see. Who might we get?
There's a cute little Elsa headband and there's a cute cut.
Ooh, a slice of cake.
Yeah.
It's so cute. Let me see. Show it. Look. All right, I'm ready with the list, okay? So whenever you're ready to pop them out. You want to do that one? Yeah. Let's see this one. Wait, hold on.
The confetti didn't pop out that much. Why did the confetti didn't pop out?
Ooh.
The closely popped out.
Let's see.
Yeah.
That one was cute though.
Yeah.
Let's see, who did you get?
Oh, I got this one.
Can you turn her? Oh, I think I got. Oh, who is she? Who is she? Let me see her outfit.
Maybe that's her outfit right there.
Oh, you got Riley!
Riley!
Yay! Welcome, Riley!
Alright,
Wow,
let's
she's
put
so
this
cute. All right, let's see who else you get also. her right there.
Look how cute.
She's so cute.
Alright, let's start with the
Yay! Who's that?
I don't know.
Let's see. Who is she?
Oh wait, no, this one. Her has the blue dress on the bottom, at the bottom.
Oh, she's a little. Oh, you have Ava, but this Ava, she is in the Winter Wonderland surprise collection.
No way!
Yeah, so you have Ava in the rainbow and Ava in the Winter Wonderland. Oh, that's so awesome! Yay!
Okay.
Oh, you got twinsies! Yeah!
What's the
That's so cute. You have to pull it on the bottom, don't you? You got this.
Another pop. Oh, there's like a little black thing that makes it pop out.
Yeah.
Again.
Oh, you can't get to her little line bag?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see.
I kind of like the little Popteenie.
They're cute, right? They're so adorable.
And there's still more. Look at me. Buddy.
They're cute, guys.
Yeah.
And they're such fun.
Yeah.
And you know what we did? We also did something else. We set up a party for them just so that way they can have a good time. Right, Maya?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Look at them. They're waiting for these friends to come.
Yep, they are. Wow.
Did I please cut them?
All right, let's see.
Oh, this is the same difference.
Yep. Hold on, let me see. This one. All right, there you go.
Thank you. Snaps. Where's your-
There it is. Yay.
A cute little cupcake. What a cupcake!
Yeah.
The
The other
same
cupcake. Yep. One more cupcake for everybody, right?
Wait a second. Look at these difference. So look, this one got a bad one, and this one has a little round one.
They're cute.
Look at them.
Like they were baking cookies for the party. All right, what are we gonna do now? We're gonna take them to their party.
Yay!
Woo! So we'll be back. Woo! Yeah, guys. Come on, we're ready to party.
Let's raise the party beans.
Woo! Woo! Yay! Yeah, they're partying! Woo! Woo! Yay! Yay, guys!
This is the end of my video. Hope you enjoy it and give it a big thumbs up. If you have any comments below, just subscribe.
Subscribe and comment below.
Yes.
Thank you, guys.
I hope you enjoyed